Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today what I'm going to be doing is a Greek chicken pot roast served with butter tagliatelle pasta, but I ain't got tagliatelle, I'm using this pasta instead. It's a bit like tagliatelle but obviously not, so that's going to be used instead. So what I'm going to do with the chicken, that's going to go into the casserole dish over there. I'm going to cut up the onions and the pepper, start frying that, crush up the garlic, and then add the tomatoes, the black olives, then the chopped in tomatoes, bit of salt and pepper, bit of white wine, and happy days. So we'll crack on with this first, and we'll see you in a minute. So, we've got all our bits and pieces in the pan. We're going to let that reduce down. Then we're going to take the chicken back out of the tray, pour that into the tray and put the chicken back on top. Bit of salt and pepper on top, and cover it with a bit of foil and put that lot in the oven. So we'll be back soon. Okay, so we've got our mixture, sauce. Going in now. That's going to nestle in there lovely. Nice bit of foil over the top. and we're going to put that in the oven for about an hour and a quarter, hour and a half, and after about an hour and a quarter we'll bring it out and we'll see what's going on. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so we're back. What I'm going to do is going to pull this out the oven. Okay, so let's have a quick look without burning myself. Oh, that's looking good, look at that. So what I'm going to do is put that back in the oven for another 15 minutes so it goes all nice and brown, and then we'll bring you right back. So we'll see you soon. So while the chicken's back in the oven, we'll get our pasta in. That's going to be really nice. I've had this one before actually, so it's once it's cooked down, it looked like a bit like tagliatelle, but normally you'd use tagliatelle pasta. So we'll get that done and then we'll bring you back. So we've got our pasta in a bowl. I'm using olive butter. Parsley, and a little bit of nutmeg. We'll do get a feta and just break this up around it. So we'll let that warm through with the feta cheese, and we'll have a little plate up with our pasta, parsley and olive butter. I've already tasted a little bit of this and it's awesome. So we'll bring you back when we've had a plate up. See you soon. And basically just scoop out some of the juices from the chicken, because obviously we're going to have some fat in with that. So we're going to do away with that. Okay, so there we have it. We got a Greek chicken pot roast with buttered, it's supposed to be tagliatelle, but I've used a different pasta because I've run out of tagliatelle pasta. So what we've got is obviously olive oil, a couple of onions, some garlic cloves that have been crushed and chopped, smoked paprika, loads of parsley, some white wine, pitted black olives, cherry tomatoes, a couple of tins of chopped tomatoes, and obviously the roasted chicken, which I'll stuff some lemon inside, and the pasta was done with some olive butter and some more parsley and feta cheese in with all the mixture. So this is going to be really tasty because I've already had a little bit. So this is really nice, the sauce and everything all together, the pasta with the olive butter melted in and the parsley, and the chicken obviously roasted in with all the sauce, and yeah, so it's really good. So thank you very much, for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one and see what we come up with. Take it easy guys, and see you soon. Cheers, thank you, bye bye.